Number 5, how are you doing today? Today we are going to deal with Unit 6, The Mystery of the Mary Celeste. Before reading, we have to ask ourselves the same question. What the meaning of mystery? Mystery means something hidden, something we don't know. So the mystery here, can we say it's noun or verb or adjective? Yes, it's a noun. So, what the adjective of mystery? The adjective of mystery is mysterious. Okay, who is Mary Celeste? Or what is Mary Celeste? Is it a name of a woman or a name of a ship? Let's see together. Let's read the yellow box together. John Brown has a program on the radio. He interviews people who have interesting things to talk about. Interviews means he discuss or he asks question and have a discussion with people, but not any people. They very important people. The interview is a meeting. It's a face-to-face meeting, not a usual meeting. It's a face-to-face meeting when they talk about a specific topic. This is the interview with Professor Dent. Professor Dent studies mysteries. He talked to John Brown about the mystery of the Mary Celeste. John, welcome Professor Dent. You are here today to talk about the mystery of the Mary Celeste. Professor, yes John. People have tried to guess what happened, but nobody has solved the mystery. It's very interesting. Solved means that they didn't know what happened. John, let's begin with what the Mary Celeste was. Professor, the Mary Celeste was a ship. So, the name of Mary Celeste was for a ship. So, when we ask, we must say, what is the Mary Celeste? It had two masts and it sailed across the Atlantic Ocean in the 19th century. On one voyage means trip with a ship. Something very strange happened. John, when was this? Professor, it was on the 5th of December, 1872. A ship called the De Gratia found the Mary Celeste in the middle of the ocean. The ocean means a very big sea. What was so strange about that? Professor, well, it was just floating there. Floating is the opposite of sinking. Yes, sink is I-N-K. The captain of the De Gratia signaled to Mary Celeste, but there was no reply. Signaled means he gave a sign to Mary Celeste, but there was no reply. What did the captain do then? He rowed over to the Mary Celeste with 3 other sailors. If he asked me how many sailors were there were 3 sailors and the captain. They climbed aboard the ship, and that is when they discovered the mystery. What did they find? Professor, it was very quiet. Quiet is the opposite of noisy. They searched the ship, but there was nobody on board. There was nobody in this ship. The ship wasn't damaged. This is strange. It's not damaged. So where is the people? We don't know. And there was plenty of food. Plenty means a lot of food and water. What did they do next? What did they do next? Let's see. Professor, this is where it gets even more mysterious. Mysterious here is adjective from the noun mystery. They went to the captain's cabin, the room of the captain. The cabin is the room of the captain, where he controls all the ship. and they found some breakfast on the table. The breakfast was half eaten. No sign of the captain. No, there was nobody on the ship. In the galley means the kitchen of the ship. That's where the meals are cooked. There were pots of half-cooked food hanging over a dead fire. Do you know what happened? No, nobody knows. The captain of the Di Gratia thought that there had been a mutiny. Mutiny means disobey. When they disobey someone, so it's a mutiny. That's when the sailors don't obey orders. يبقى mutiny means the sailors don't obey orders. Did he think the crew left the ship? Yes, but the lifeboat was still there, so how did they get off the ship? Did they jump overboard? Did another ship take them? John, if the crew did leave, what happened to the captain? Professor, well, they found a knife. It has some blood on it. So, some people think that someone murdered the captain. John, what do you think? I think we will never know. Some mysteries are never solved. John, thank you, Professor. I hope you will come on the program again and tell us about another unsolved mystery. Thank you, John. I'd like that. Okay, this is the part of reading. Let's answer the question, page 52, and try to send the answers to me. Okay, after that we have 53, language building. We have the simple sentence. What's the difference between simple sentence and complicated sentence? Simple sentence has subject and a verb. Sometimes it has object also. A simple sentence is also called the main clause, like the Mary Celeste. It's a subject. Was floating is verb. Let's discuss together. Where is the subject and which is the verb? Professor Dent arrived. Professor Dent is the subject, arrived, verb. John Brown smiled. John Brown is a subject, smiled, verb. Okay? Try to answer the rest by yourself. A simple sentence main clause can also have an object, like the sailors climbed aboard the ship. Climbed aboard is a verb and the ship is object. A simple sentence has subject, verb, and object. That's enough today. See you later with the complete discussion of this unit or the rest of the unit, the grammar and spelling, the next week, inshallah. See you later. Bye.